Long Beach Alanya runs on a true ultra all-inclusive model, where nearly every part of the resort experience is built into the price, with only a few exceptions, which I'll cover in the considerations section. All meals, snacks, and drinks, including cocktails and soft drinks served at 7 different bars, are fully included. That even covers the beachfront bars and the impressive swim-up option at the main pool, which operates throughout the day. Guests also get unlimited access to the on-site water park, 4 indoor pools, and a wide range of daily activities like mini golf, ziplining, archery, and tennis. The package extends to entertainment, with stage shows, beach parties, and a full kids club all available without extra charges. Even the spa's steam room, sauna, and Turkish bath are part of the base rate. This is a resort where ultra actually means full access, not just upgraded drinks, but an entire vacation that feels fully taken care of from the moment you arrive. I'll reveal more details as we go through this review. Long Beach Alanya is set along a private stretch of coastline in Turkler, just outside of Alanya's main resort cluster. It sits directly on the beachfront, with loungers, umbrellas, and 2 open-air bars facing the sea, all included. See, Alanya Marine Park is just a 7-minute walk from the resort, and several local restaurants and shops are within easy reach on foot, making it possible to explore without relying on taxis. The drive from Gazi Pasha Airport takes about an hour, while travelers coming from Antalya Airport should plan for closer to 90 minutes by car. That added travel time is the trade-off for staying at a resort that feels more spread out and self-contained, with fewer high-rises and more beach space than you'll find in central Alanya. However, if this is a deal breaker for you, check out my playlist linked below for alternative all-inclusive places to stay in Turkey. But once you're on the property, everything is walkable. Pools, restaurants, the water park, and the private beach are all connected by flat, stroller-friendly paths. No shuttle buses, no waiting, just straight access to what you came for. Standard rooms at Long Beach Alanya start at around $167 per person, per night, based on 3 guests sharing the land view room. This option includes a queen bed, a twin, and a sofa bed, with a private balcony and enough space for a small family or a couple with a child. For travelers focused on value, it's the most affordable way to enjoy the resort's full ultra all-inclusive access. Families needing more separation can upgrade to the Family Duplex Land View, a split-level room that sleeps 4 with separate beds across 2 floors. When fully occupied, this room averages just over $200 per person, per night. A smart pick for parents who want personal space after the kids go to sleep. For larger groups or guests after added comfort, the Villa Suite second floor sleeps up to 6 and works out to around $253 per person, per night. With 2 queen beds, 2 twins, and over 600 square feet of space, it's ideal for multi-generational families or 2 couples traveling together. All options include full access to the resort's dining, water slides, beach, and activities. No upgrade packages required. All rooms can be booked at the best price currently available using the links in the top comment or description. The outdoor water park at Long Beach Alanya spans the heart of the resort, with multi-lane racers, spiral tube slides, and splash towers drawing guests throughout the day. For younger children, there's a dedicated aqua playground with smaller slides, gentle fountains, and shaded seating for parents. Pools are separated by age and activity level, so families can spread out without crowding a single area. Around the water zones, guests can access mini golf, outdoor trampolines, a ropes course, and 2 tennis courts, all included. The resort also features hidden extras like shaded hammocks, landscaped gardens, and quiet decks for guests who prefer low-key downtime. What stands out most is how seamlessly water connects the entire property. Swim-up rooms open directly into private pool lanes, bridges cross over lazy river-style flows, and sunbeds are positioned close enough to dip your feet in without leaving your lounger. It's a layout designed to keep you immersed, not just near the water, but in it. Live entertainment at Long Beach Alanya runs day to night, with a full lineup of stage shows, beach parties, and family-friendly activities built into the schedule. Performances rotate nightly and range from acrobatic acts and live bands to fire shows and themed dance nights in the outdoor amphitheater. For guests who prefer nightlife, the on-site club offers DJ sets and dancing into the early morning, all without leaving the property or paying a cover. And younger guests aren't left out either. The resort's kids club offers structured games, crafts, and supervised play, while teens gravitate toward competitive events like archery or obstacle challenges near the ropes course. One parent called it the most enjoyable hotel they'd stayed at with children, specifically praising the professional staff, organized shows, and sheer variety of activities that kept their kids busy all day. The energy on site shifts naturally throughout the day, from upbeat music by the main pool to quieter acoustic sessions at sunset. There's no pressure to join in, but for guests who want a social, active environment, there's always something happening within a few steps of your room. Meals at Long Beach Alanya are spread across several dedicated venues, each with its own atmosphere. The main restaurant offers rotating international themes, while specialty spots focus on Turkish classics, grilled dishes, and lighter fare served near the coast. Some a la carte restaurants operate seasonally and require advance booking, but all maintain the same casual tone the resort is known for. What sets the dining apart is the convenience of its layout. Several snack points are positioned near pools and walkways, so you're never far from a fresh bite during the day. Midday offerings include flatbreads, grilled meats, and light pastries, with shaded seating areas that allow you to linger without returning to the main dining room. Evening meals often extend into the outdoor terraces, especially during high season, creating a relaxed, social atmosphere. Guests have noted the dessert selection in particular as a consistent strength, with a wide spread of sweets, pastries, and fresh fruit presented with real variety each day. Crucially, Long Beach Alanya shuts down entirely from November 25th to March 1st, making it a strictly seasonal resort. And even within the open period, some amenities have limited dates. The outdoor pool and beach facilities are only guaranteed between March 17th and November 19th, so guests traveling near the edges of the season should expect scaled-back operations, especially for bars and outdoor dining. While the ultra all-inclusive rate covers a wide range of services, a few key extras still come with additional charges. Spa treatments are the main one. Access to the Turkish bath, sauna, and steam room is included, but massages are not. A 30-minute massage booked through the resort typically costs around $38, while packages at nearby Alanya spas range from 17 to 33 euros, depending on the treatment. The a la carte restaurants, although included, require advance reservations. During high occupancy, availability can be tight, and walk-ins aren't accepted. This setup favors planners over spontaneous diners and can catch some guests off guard if they expect daily variety without booking ahead. Again, if any of these are deal breakers for you, then check out my playlist linked below for alternative places to stay in Turkey. In a region packed with all-inclusive resorts, Long Beach Alanya consistently offers more built-in value than most properties at the same price point. While many resorts along the Antalya coast charge similar nightly rates, they often limit access to amenities, restrict a la carte dining, or charge extra for activities that are fully included here. There's no need to upgrade packages or buy into VIP tiers. The standard booking covers enough to keep guests busy from morning through late night without spending anything more. What also sets this resort apart is how well it balances scale with inclusivity. Larger properties sometimes lose the sense of access or convenience, but here, families and groups can take advantage of a wide range of features without paying for private areas or exclusive perks. Compared to similarly priced options in the region, the consistency of what's included makes Long Beach Alanya feel generous rather than limited, and that reliability is where the real value lies. Long Beach Alanya is best suited for families and groups who want maximum inclusions without sorting through upgrade menus or booking extras day by day. The layout, amenities, and entertainment are all built to support multi-generational travel, from toddlers to grandparents, without needing to leave the resort to stay entertained. Couples and friend groups will still find plenty of space to relax, but the environment leans social and energetic, especially during school breaks and peak summer months. If your priority is getting a full holiday experience wrapped into one fixed price, with reliable dining, strong facilities, and non-stop activities, this resort delivers exactly that. For travelers looking to keep things easy, active, and all in one place, Long Beach Alanya checks every box. Book your stay at the best price using the link below.